General Science. Watch, listen and speak. Birds. Dove. Crow. Eagle. Ostrich. Owl. Parrot. Peacock. Seagull. Sparrow. Woodpecker. Farm. Cock. Cow. Duck. Goat. Hen. Horse. Pig. Shrimp. Turkey. Pet animals. Cat. Dog. Hamster. Mouse. Parrot. Rabbit. Turtle. Wild animals. Bear. Elephant. Fox. Giraffe. Hippopotamus. Kangaroo. Lion. Monkey. Tiger. Zebra. Sea animals. Crab. Dolphin. Fish. Jellyfish. Lobster. Octopus. Penguin. Seahorse. Shark. Starfish. Whale. Instanced. Ant. Bee. Butterfly. Dragonfly. Fly. Grasshopper. Ladybug. Mosquito. Spider. Living things. Boy. Tiger. Butterfly. Dog. Dolphin. Non-living things. Car. House. Toy. Bicycle. Ball. Vegetables. Beetroot. Buttergourd. Eggplant. Broccoli. Cabbage. Carrot. Celery. Carrot. Corn. Garlic. Ginger. Green chili. Honeydew. Indian parsley. Cucumber. Lady's finger. Lemon. Mushroom. Onion. Capsicum. Potato. Fruit's name. Banana, blackberry, blueberry, dragon fruit, figs, gooseberry, grapes, kiwi, mango, nectarine, pear, pineapple, plum, raspberry, papaya, coconut, jackfruit, pomegranate, strawberry, watermelon, cherry, 5 sense organs. Eye to see. Nose to smell. Tongue to taste. Ear to hear. Skin to feel. External body parts: chest, ears, eyes, foot, head, knees, legs, nose, tongue. Internal body parts: brain, heart, kidneys, liver, lungs, stomach. Please subscribe for more videos. Don't forget to like and share.